Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on the day. How much I remember cassava? Yes, man, the cassava tree did in my backyard. And me go dig you up and look here, see root here. And me get little well cassava fight, you know. But it take me down a memory lane, you know. Me remember back in the day when my granny used to dig up a cassava and she would have boil it when she had boiled dinner evening time and we'd eat cassava. Me never did too like how it tastes still, you know. But now that me hold that, me kind of appreciate cassava and me name it more when me get a chance to. Now, me remember some people used to take it and grate it. And then they would have get cassava flour and then they would have also make bammy. Yes, man, you remember this? Yes, so me I go in here now, finish peel this and uno will see how me I go grate my cassava. Alright, my people, so me just done peel all of them as you can see. And me start the gratering process. So this is what you do now. You grate all of your cassava. And once you're done now, we go on to the next process where we are going to strain it. And you will see how you will make the bammy or the cassava flour. So gratering done. So you take up some of your cassava, you put in a piece of cloth. Remember old time people used to use white cloth. Well, me don't have no white cloth here today. So I put in this here and I hold it over this here pan here now and me I wring it out. So me I wring out the cassava juice, right? Wring it out till and you ring till no more juice now come. Alright? Now, once you wring it out now, this way in this now, we are going to dry it. This is how we are going to become the cassava flour. So, we are going to put it in this now, and once it dry, this will become the cassava flour. In this now, you see once this settle, at the bottom you're going to have the starch, right? And I don't know if you remember back in the day, when we used to starch uniform, starch khaki, this is what we would use to do it. The starch was settle at the bottom. So my people, here is the final product, the flour made from the cassava. So right about now, I can knead flour and make cassava dumpling, or I can make bammy. Drop a line below if this bring back any memories, my people. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world on a day.